Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the basics that matter for activation. Make sure you have cellular data or reliable Wi-Fi and that Bluetooth is on. Next, set your date and time to automatically update. Activation can fail with wrong timestamps. Once done, sign into your Apple ID in settings so iMessage can associate with your account, and keep the device's SIM active because activation often uses SMS behind the scenes. Now perform the middle steps that usually fix activation. Go to Messages and toggle iMessage off, wait about 30 seconds, then toggle it on again. This forces a fresh activation request. If that doesn't work, sign out of your Apple ID for Messages and FaceTime, then sign back in to refresh credentials. If activation still errors, reset network settings to clear corrupted configurations. This will remove saved Wi-Fi, but often resolves blocking issues with SMS or carrier registration. Finish by updating iOS and rebooting. Newer builds fix activation bugs. If problems persist, swap to another Wi-Fi network or try a different compatible SIM to isolate carrier routing issues, because activation sometimes needs a working SMS route. Once you've done that, contact your carrier to confirm SMS activation and Apple support if carrier confirms. Key troubleshooting tip: if nothing changes, wait up to 24 hours. Activations can take time, and then retry the toggle steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.